Hi everyone, welcome back to Super Kalam. I am Arpita Sharma, your teacher and mentor. And this is the article that caught my attention in the Hindu newspaper. Right to safe travel on highways, part of right to life, says the apex court, that is Supreme Court. Very important for GS paper 2. But this one article equals to 10 marks in prelims examination, and this one article equals to 15 marks in the mains examination. Just one single article, and you can see the weightage that it carries. Now in this case we cannot ignore this article, right? Let's start understanding it, from the very scratch. First thing is, what is the theme that we need to see over here? The theme is, write it down, right to safe travel on highways. That is the theme. And if you're preparing for 2027, remember this is how we need to decode current affairs. Right to safe travel on highways is the theme, and they are saying that it is part of right to life. Right to life, which is Article 21. ठीक है, तो you have understood the theme first. Very good. Now the Supreme Court has clarified that now the term is very important. Clarified means it was always in existence, Supreme Court just highlighted it. ठीक है, so Supreme Court has clarified that road safety is not just policy. It is not just policy, but it is a fundamental right issue. The first thing. And based on this entire thing, this entire clarification, the theme of the article has been set. Now, the next part. Let us understand what the Supreme Court exactly said. Supreme Court said that safety on road basically is a fundamental right. And Supreme Court also linked, write it down, Supreme Court also linked safe commuting, and this is applicable for all of us, and this is important for all of us. We all, our parents, our cousins, our friends, we all commute once in a while through highways, through different roads, right? Through different routes. So, Supreme Court has linked safe commuting directly here in this article with Article 21, which is right to life. Direct linkage has been established. And Supreme Court also the meaning expanded the meaning of life. This part is important. So Supreme Court is saying that life now also includes safe infrastructure. This is going to change the way we look at Indian economy also from now onwards. It also is linked, it also includes protection. It also includes protection from accidents, and it also includes that this is a state's responsibility. So this is not a small article, this is not a small clarification, this means a lot for all of us. And there are earlier judicial trends also towards right to life. For example, clean environment is also a part of it, health is also a part of it, dignity is also a part of it. ठीक है, तो ये these basically they come out from the earlier judicial trends. Now, another important aspect is there is a strong criticism of government in this particular article which has been done. What is that criticism? So I'll just copy this page and I will paste it, and यहाँ पर I am going to make another note. ठीक है? Here we are going to make another note. Just give me a second. I'll make space for the new notes that we are going to make. I hope that you are writing all of this down with me. So basically, there has been a strong criticism, or all these value enrichment points are important for your mains answer writing. What is the criticism for government? Basically, the Supreme Court, it pointed out, write it down, it pointed out first administrative lethargy from the government's side. ठीक है? It also pointed out lack of proactive measures. It also pointed out failure to do what? Failure to remove risks to remove risks like, first is that we all are aware of, illegal parking. Second is roadside hazards. Roadside hazards. Third is poor infrastructure. Basically, all of this shows judicial activism, basically in governance failure. Judicial activism in governance failure. And in the M. Lakshmikant chapter, in the M. Lakshmikant book, there is a separate chapter on judicial activism. Please attach this particular article in that particular chapter. Okay? And there was an important data also which was highlighted by Supreme Court, which was that the national highways, write it down, the national highways, basically it is only 2% of total roads in India. ठीक है, then it accounts for, but it accounts for 30% of road deaths. कम परसेंटेज है बट स्टिल नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स देखो. दिस इज अ क्लासिक प्रिलिम्स प्लस मेंस फैक्ट बाय द वे. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट द कोर्ट, what are the key directions that the court has ordered. ठीक है, that there should be no dhabas, or there should be no eateries, there should be no commercial structures within highway, right of way. यहाँ पर this has been pointed out, यहाँ पर ये देखो, this has been pointed out over here. ठीक है, देन द व्हीकल्स मस्ट पार्क ओनली इन द डेजिग्नेटेड एरियाज, डेजिग्नेटेड बेज. ऐसे नहीं कहीं भी खड़ी कर दी गाड़ी आपने. देयर शुड बी नो इलीगल रोड साइड पार्किंग. स्टेट हैव टू इंश्योर दैट देयर इज अ सेफ रोड एनवायरनमेंट, एंड स्टेट हैज टू इंश्योर दैट द रोड डेथ्स, अब जितनी भी डेथ्स हैं उनको प्रिवेंट किया जाए. ठीक है, प्रिवेंट द अवॉइडेबल डेथ्स. Court has clarified that the right to life is not just protection from state action. It is also, basically it also imposes positive duty on the state. ठीक है, this is very important. तो state must actively ensure safety. That has been pointed out by Supreme Court in this particular article. ठीक है, अब हाउ टू फ्रेम एन आंसर, अगर इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, इफ देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन विच इज आस्क्ड ऑन राइट टू लाइफ, how will you frame an answer? First, you will explain what is Article 21. You will link Article 21 with road safety crisis in India. Okay, Article 21 is equal to basically now safe mobility. So here there is a very important doctrine that you have to study, doctrine of positive obligations, because it is putting a positive obligation now on the state. So doctrine of possible positive obligations, please write it down, you have to prepare it. जुडिशियल एक्टिविज्म, जुडिशियल रोल यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर. एनसीआरबी का क्या डेटा है, ठीक है, ऑन रोड एक्सीडेंट्स, दैट यू हैव टू नोट डाउन. तो दीज आर इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स. ठीक है, एंड नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट दैट आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू स्टडी इज द एवोल्यूशन ऑफ आर्टिकल 21. How did Article 21 evolve from Menaka Gandhi case, due process of fairness उसमें आया था, then derived rights. ठीक है, how did we derive different rights, right to livelihood, right to health, right to clean environment, right to shelter, right to privacy, KS Puttaswamy judgment, then right to safe transport, which is now, which has been mentioned. ठीक है, so this is important. Do not forget to remember MC Mehta case also, which led to CNG conversion and road safety guidelines. ठीक है, तो ये दो इंपॉर्टेंट, थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट केसेस, मेनका गांधी केस, KS Puttaswamy एंड MC Mehta केस, यू हैव टू रिवाइज देम. ठीक है, so this was all about the fundamental right and especially Article 21. Now let's see how many questions from Article 21 prelims में UPSC has asked so far. We will go to Super Kalam's app. On Super Kalam's app, we'll go to the prelims section, MCQs. We will select Indian polity. Here I'm going to write down Article 21. Here we are going to write fundamental rights. Done. Let's start practicing. See how questions are asked on fundamental rights. See Article 21. Consider the following statements regarding the evolution. I told you na, you have to prepare evolution. MC Menaka Gandhi case हो गया, right to privacy केशवानंदा भारती केस हो गया. ठीक है, only two. Why it is two, that also has been explained by Super Kalam. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Consider the following statements about fundamental rights under Indian Constitution. They are justiciable, can be suspended during national emergency. Right to property is a fundamental right. Right to property fundamental right है. यहाँ पर तीन ऑप्शन आप बहुत आसानी से हटा सकते हो. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट वन एंड टू, यू नो राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी इज नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट, इट वॉज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम इट, है ना. सो ओवर हियर यू विल नोटिस वी हैव एलिमिनेटेड ऑप्शन बी सी डी एंड वी आर लेफ्ट विद ए. आगे बढ़ते हैं. सिमिलरली यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. इस तरीके से आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. ठीक है. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ होमवर्क इन द description box of this video on fundamental rights. Solve it and tell me your scores in the comment section. Okay, keep revising. This is very important class. Do not skip it at any cost.